Hello everyone, welcome back to Maximal Studios. I am Shubham and today we'll be discussing about the new workflow which we have built for scheduling your meets based on an incoming email. What we do at Maximal Studios is we build internal AI tools that save time and money for you. So what problem we are trying to solve today is, say if you get an email in your inbox, say it's a potential lead and has asked you to schedule a meet at say sometime, say here for example 4:30 p.m. And normally what you'll do is you'll have some person constantly checking the email, then they go back and forth with the client or the potential lead, and then schedule the meet in the Google Calendar. So what we decided was, how can we automate this process? That's where our workflow, which we built in a tool called n8n, comes in. This tool constantly monitors your email inbox, and then based on the content of the email decides what to do with it. We have given this so-called AI agent some tools, which is like a drafting email and then a calendar tool and then a chat model. In our case it's GPT-4o, which is more than enough for this use case. Before I start with the demo of this workflow, what I have done is I have set like a calendar just for AI, which will be managed by it. And then say there is a lead which has come in your inbox to asking if you are free at 4:30 for a meet. So let's run it and check what happens. So now what happens is this email is fetched by our agent, and then it is parsed and sent to the chat model, which will then decide which tool to use. So in this case, drafting email as well as Google Calendar tool is used. Now if we go back to our drafts, you can see that there is a draft which has been drafted for you and all the names, and I'll get back to how it knows that I'm Shubham Rasad and Maximal Studios in a second. We'll first check whether an event has been created in our calendar or not. As you can see, for the managed by AI, a new meeting with meeting to discuss AI automation has been scheduled at 4:30. So what is happening is this agent has been configured with a system prompt that you are a email management agent. This is the current time, and always sign email with Shubham Rasal from Maximal Studios. So what it does, it parses your email content and then uses the tools to figure out how to like execute the task. Now we have only used two different tools. You can add as many tools as you want. You can club this up with our previous videos workflow, which is to filter different emails based on their labels and assign labels based on the content of the emails. So for example, you can have like only leads should run this workflow only for leads. So this will run only when there is a potential lead and not on all your personal or marketing emails. So yeah, if you want this particular workflow, you can go to our website in the resources page and go to automation resources. You will find a link there, which you can come here in n8n, create like a free account and then paste the link here. You'll get this exact workflow for yourself. You can test it out. And that pretty much sums up the video. Please like and subscribe our channel. And if you know anyone who would benefit from such videos, please share this video to them. And yeah, thank you.